welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a challenge. My very first challenge in my channel, which I am excited to be doing this. So this challenge, Nikkietutorials started it. I seen her video and I haven't seen nobody else do it. So I believe she's the one who started this challenge. So I already went into Google and typed in my first initial, or my first name and my last name, which is RM, and I screenshotted the picture that showed up, which is this one right here. So because it's a very simple picture, I think I got lucky. I went ahead and used all the colors that were in that photo, and this is what I have created. So if you're ready to see how I create this look, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you are new. And in case you are new, hi, my name is Glam Rosa. Welcome to my channel. And now let's slay our face. Oh my god! I'm like low-key not ready for this. Not ready for this. So, looking at the picture, I see white, I see pink, I see yellow, I see blue, and like a very light green. And there's this taupey brown color in it. So let's see what we come up with. Alright, so let's just start on the face. You know, we always have to prep the face for makeup so we can be looking good all day. So I'm gonna go in with Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel. The name is just, it's kind of funny. And I'm gonna be mixing this serum in because I'm a little dry at the moment. I think because of the weather. But usually I'm like super oily. Give me that! Give me that! He was eating trash. I don't think I've showed you guys my little baby. Come here. Come here, Teddy. Come here. Say hi to everybody. Uh-oh. Say hi to everybody. Say hi. Oh, you gave me a kiss. Oh, you gave me a kiss. Come on. Now I'm gonna go in with Mario Badescu facial spray. I love this. And oh my god, it smells amazing. Now, so our face can stay on all day. We're gonna go in with Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. I like to just push it into my skin and go out. Now for foundation, I'm gonna go in with NARS All Day Luminous Weightless Foundation. But I'm gonna be adding a little bit of the Maybelline 24-Hour Foundation. I just really love this and this. So I'm just gonna mix it. I'm going to make a little cocktail in the back of my hand, even though that was a lot. I don't need that much. And I'm just going to like mix it together. Then with my hair. I'm just going to put it all over my face and then I'm going to work it in. And that's it. That's how you do it. We're done. Let's go. You're right. Now to highlight and conceal, I'm gonna go in with Tarte. Take Shape. I'm in the shade Light Medium Honey, in case you're wondering, honey. I like to apply this on my lids too. This works as a primer. Now to set where I put concealer, I'm going to go in with my girl, Laura Mercier Translucent Powder. She just never disappoints. No? And to set the rest of my face so it won't move and it stays looking, you know, snatched, I'm going to go in with Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Powder Makeup. I'm picking up this big old brush from Sigma. Just going to push it in. Alright, now starting with the eyes, the fun part. Let's see how I do. Okay, so by the colors of the picture, it looks like 35S Morphe palette has like all the colors that are in that picture. So this is the palette that I'm going to be using. So to start off, I'm going to go in with this shade in the palette. I got a white cream shadow, and I'm going to put that on my brow bone. This is going to be like my highlight. Now for my crease, I'm going to pick up this shade in the palette. It's a matte blue. And I'm going to be working this into my crease. This is going to be like my transition color. So let's see how it looks. Okay, off camera I was a little bit stuck. I didn't know which color to go with next, but I think I got a look in mind now. Since the picture has a little bit of green in the background, which I believe I have to use, I'm gonna go in with green. But since the boy is holding a bag that is like a taupey brown, I'm going to use that brown. I'm gonna grab a brush and pick up the brown that's in the palette, which is this one right here. And I'm going to apply that on my outer V on my lid and kind of smoke it in with my crease. You guys will see what I'm doing. So using a brush from Ulta, I'm going to use the all over shadow side. And like a, before we regret anything, I'm going to apply this right at the outer V on my lid first. And then I'm going to blend it upwards. I kind of wanted to smoke into the blue. Turning the brush, I'm now going to just buff out the edges. Ooh, girl, I'm loving this. I'm not so mad now. I'm over here like, oh my gosh, should I even continue doing this? Okay, now going in with the green in the palette, I'm going to be putting this shade on my lid, just going halfway. But that is such a gorgeous green, so I kind of want to make it stand out. So I am going to pick up this Sigma F70 brush. It's a flat brush. I'm going to pick up the green. I'm going to grab some setting spray and just wet the shadow and apply it. Ooh. Oh, do you see this? Oh, I am loving this. I am loving this. There we go. Now there is this big old pink sign behind him. So my next color is going to be pink. Now for the next shade, I think I want to go in with both of these pinkish colors. I'm just going to dab a little bit in here and dab a little bit in here, you know, dab. I'm such a weirdo. Anyways, picking up those two pink shadows, I'm going to smoke out the whole bottom lash. And I think it's going to look good. I think. I'm going to make it go this way. Alright, I think this is looking pretty good. I'm not mad about it. I'm not mad. But I do think the bottom lash needs a little bit of brown in there. So I am going to pick up a brown pencil liner and I'm going to line my waterline. The next color that I see in the picture is a yellow, so I'm thinking unicorner highlight. So I'm either gonna go in with this sorry, this Jaclyn Hill highlighter because it has yellow and it has a yellow undertone, and then maybe add this yellow gold glitter in top of it. Still not quite sure, but let's do this first and see how it looks. Ooh. Looks good. I'm actually going to apply some yellow, some glitter, just a little bit, nothing crazy, just a little pop in there, just like that. The next color in the picture is black, so I'm thinking I'm just gonna make a wing. So using Maybelline New York Eye Studio Gel in Black is Black, which by the way, this is a very good gel liner, I'm going to wing this look out. Alright you guys, here we go. I have my winged liners on. Now I'm going to go ahead and add some lashes. These are from Allure in the style Marquise, and I'm also going to do my eyebrows. I'm going to be using NYX Gel Brow. If you guys have not used it, you should definitely use this. This is bomb.com for the brows. And yeah, I'm going to do my eyebrows and my lashes, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. There we go you guys, I have lashes and eyebrows on. Now we're going to move on to the face. We got to snatch this face. I'm going to be using my Kat Von D contour palette. And the first thing I'm going to do is grab my little sponge and go in the middle shade. It's called Lyric. And I'm going to grab some of that powder and I'm going to just brighten up my under eyes a little bit more. I'm sorry, my voice went away. And what I'm also going to do is grab just a little bit of that and just clean it up right here. Just like that. Now to cut these cheeks, I'm going to pick up this angled brush from Sigma. This is in an F40 and I'm going to go in that middle shade in the palette. Just grab a little bit because this bad boy is very pigmented. And I'm just going to hit my cheeks. Hit my jaw and my double chin. Now to glow to the gods, we're going to go in with Maybelline Master Chrome Highlighter, which is the bomb. We're going to glow up. Now for lips, I'm going to keep it safe and I'm just going to go in with my my nude lip, Maybelline Vivid Hot Lacquer Lip Gloss in Unreal. And there we go you guys, this look is finally complete. Let me know in the comments down below what you think. How did I do? Do you like it? Do you not? Would you wear this? Let me know what you think. And if you have not yet, please subscribe to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos of me, please go check out these 2 videos that I'm going to be putting up right here for you guys. And I will see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye!